In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum to all. Welcome to Virtual Learning System of Pakistan International School Type. Dear students, today we are going to do the exercises of Lesson 10, Transport. So you all open your books and come on lesson number 10. First of all, here we recall some important points. So let's take a quick review. Roads. Dear students, you know that a good roads network is very important for a country as people and goods can be moved easily and swiftly. Also, roads can reach locations which do not have railway or air links to the rest of the country. Again, here you see roads are very important network for the country as people and goods can be moved easily and swiftly. Also, roads can reach locations which do not have railway or air links to the rest of the country. Here I give you the one interesting activity. Write the name of the road on which their house is located. Okay. And then write the names of some main roads of their city if they can. Okay. This is your activity. Next is railways. Students, Pakistan railways are cheap though slower means of communication for the people. To send cargo by train may take longer, but it is more economical. It is the same for passengers traveling from one city to another. Busy people prefer to go to their destination by air. The train was known as the Iron Horse when it was first invented. The train was known as the Iron Horse when it was first invented. Today it is a blessing for the masses of people. Okay. So commuting from the interior of the country to the cities to work there. And you know that France, China, and Japan have developed very fast train called maglev that move by magnetic levitation. Again, here we repeat. Railway, Pakistan Railway are a cheap though slower means of communication for the people. They send their cargoes by train, may take longer, but it is more economical. It is the same for passengers traveling from one city to another. Busy people, of course, they prefer to go their destination by air. The train was known as the Horse when it was first invented. Okay, and commuting from the interior of the country to the cities to work there. And which one is the fast train? Called maglev that move by magnetic levitation. Airways, aeroplanes are the fastest mode of transport today. We all know that. Even among these, there are different types that are used for different purposes and have different speeds. Some can even travel at supersonic speed, that is, they break the sound barrier by traveling faster than the speed of sound. Passengers planes like the Boeing 747 can carry up to 400 passengers, and even larger aircraft are now planned with more seating capacity. So airway is the fastest mode of transport today. Okay, keep remember. Next is shipping. This is another interesting way of traveling, and before the invention of aircraft, it was the only way people could travel overseas. Many people could travel overseas by shipping. The idea that a ship or boat can float on water and take you from one place to another is fascinating for young children. And now here you must be uh, You just see this one. If you have different types of pictures of boards, images of boards, so you must be collected and share on group. Okay, this is the one more activity for you. Again, we repeat, shipping, this is another interesting way of traveling. And before the invention of aircraft, it was the only way people could travel overseas. Okay, keep remember, before the invention of aircraft, it was the only way people could travel overseas. The idea that a ship or boat can float on water and take you from one place to another. Okay, now we are going to do the exercises. So here our first exercise depend on question and answers. So here question number 1 is, why do you think roads are the most important parts of the communications network in Pakistan? Question number 1 is, why do you think roads are the most important parts of the communications network in Pakistan? Answer is, roads are the most important part of the communications network in Pakistan because roads reach almost all remote corners of the country and it is cheaper than flying, faster than the railway. Again, you repeat, roads are the most important part of the communications network in Pakistan because roads reach almost all remote corners of the country and it is cheaper than flying and faster than the railways. This is your question number 1. Here you see, most people use the cheaper way, they travel by bus. Question number 2. Why more people travel by road within the country than by air or train? Here, before you saw, more people travel by roads within the country than by air or train because it is cheaper than flying and faster than the railways. Again, we repeat, why more people travel by road within the country than by air or train? Answer is, more people travel by roads within the country than by air or train because it is cheaper than flying and faster than the railways. This is your question number 2. Question number 3. Who were the first men to fly an aeroplane? Who were the first men to fly an aeroplane? Answer is, two American brothers, Wilbur and Orville Wright, were the first men to fly an aeroplane. Again, we repeat, two American brothers, Wilbur and Orville Wright, were the first men to fly an aeroplane. This is your question number 3. Question number 4 is, make a list of the international airports in Pakistan. Dear students, you know that Jinnah International Airport in Karachi, Benazir Bhutto International Airport, Islamabad, Allama Iqbal International Airport, Lahore, Peshawar International Airport, Peshawar, Quetta International Airport, Quetta, Multan International Airport, Multan, Gwadar International Airport, Gwadar, and Faisalabad International Airport, Faisalabad. Again, we repeat, question number 4, make a list of the international airports in Pakistan. Number 1 is Jinnah International Airport in Karachi, Benazir Bhutto International Airport in Islamabad, Allama Iqbal International Airport, Lahore, Peshawar International Airport, Peshawar, Quetta International Airport, Quetta, Multan International Airport, Multan, Gwadar International Airport, Gwadar, and Faisalabad International Airport, Faisalabad. This is your question number 4. Question number 5 is, Which are the major ports in Pakistan? Question number 5 is, which are the major ports in Pakistan? Answer is, the major ports in Pakistan are at Karachi and Mohammed bin Qasim. The major ports in Pakistan are at Karachi and Mohammed bin Qasim. So the major ports in Pakistan are at Karachi and Mohammed bin Qasim. So this is your question number 5. Now come on, work pages. So your work page, first exercise A is, you have the words, you must be write correct words in a correct table. First one, roads, railways, airways, and ships. So you must be insert these words in a correct box. For example, trucks, cars, diesel, and highways belongs to roads. Again, we repeat, trucks, cars, diesel, and highways belongs to roads. So in the same way, tracks, railways, engines, and steam belongs to railways. Tracks, railway, engines, and steam belongs to railway. Third one is airways, Wright Brothers, PIA, aircraft, and airports belong to airway. Wright Brothers, PIA, aircraft, and airports belongs to airways. Ships, harbor, Gwadar, ports, and PNSC. You know that what is the meaning of PNSC? Pakistan National Shipping Corporation. Ships, harbor, Gwadar, ports, and PNSC belongs to ship. Again we repeat, trucks, cars, diesel, highways belongs to roads. Tracks, railways, engine, steam belongs to railway. Wright Brothers, PIA, aircrafts, airports belong to airways. Ships, harbor, Gwadar, ports, and PNSC belongs to ship. So this is your work page exercise A. Work page exercise B is fill in the blanks. Number 1 is, roads are an important part of our transport network. Roads are an important part of our transport network. Number 2, the first trains were pulled by steam engine. The first trains were pulled by steam engines. In the second blank, you write steam. In the first blank, you write network. Third one is, the first aeroplane was flown in the year 1903. The first aeroplane was flown in the year 1903. In the third blank, you write 1903. First blank, you write network, second one steam, and third is 1903. Number 4, Pakistan has dash kilometer of roads. Answer is 259,760 kilometers of road. Pakistan has 259,760 kilometers of road. In the first blank, you write network. In the second, steam. In the third, 1903. And the fourth, 259,760. Number 5 is, the Makran Coastal Highway links Karachi to Gwadar. The Makran Coastal Highway links Karachi to Gwadar. Dear students, here you must remember this activity. You write the name of the roads on which their house is located. And the second one, then write the names of some main roads of their city. Understand? And the second activity is, you collect some images of trains, some images of aeroplanes, some images of buses like this, and some images of shipping boats like this. Okay, so this is, you have the 2 activities for homework. I hope you understand. Okay, dear students, best of luck.